We guide you through how to recover TikTok account without email or phone number in 2025. First thing you need to do is to open the TikTok app and go to login. Choose use phone, email, or username. Then tap forgot password. Since you don't have access to your email or phone, select I can't access this or need help at the bottom. This will take you to the TikTok account recovery support form. Here, enter your username plus any details that can prove you are the owner, like screenshots of the profile, past device info, or the approximate date you created the account. Make sure the contact email you enter is active because TikTok will send you the recovery link there. After submitting the form, wait for their response, usually within a few hours to a few days, depending on the case. Once they verify your identity, they'll send instructions to regain access to your account.